Enjoy all moments every day, and every night there may not be a tomorrow. Therefore enjoy today, in the present moment. Neon rivers paint the rainy slick street below. Sirens hum a midnight melody. My heels click rhythm on the pavement's beat. Warm breeze carries jasmine through the summer heat.